Hi everybody, Dave Blinder from eXp Realty. I just want to let you know about an open house I'll be hosting this Sunday from noon until 3 p.m. at 544 Allentown Road in desirable Lake Parsippany, New Jersey. A great listing by Carolina Gomez. I'll give you a quick look at the facade here. 544 Allentown Road is a beautiful custom two-story home. The square footage measures just under 2,000 square feet. Got a large side yard here. Also got the great low Parsippany property taxes at barely over $8,000 for the year of 2019. Let's go inside for a tour of the home. As we step through the door of 544 Allentown Road, we walk into a large living space. We have some newer flooring down. There is hardwood floors underneath the vinyl here. Just beyond that living space, we have a full bathroom. This is one of 3 full bathrooms in the home. Also have a small kitchenette and laundry area here on the lower level. The rear entrance or exit to the home here. Quick look at the utility room. Just off the living room, we enter the spacious kitchen. Some beautiful granite countertops throughout the kitchen. The breakfast bar. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. On this side of the kitchen, we enter the formal dining room. At 544 Allentown Road, we have 2 lower level bedrooms and 2 upper level bedrooms as well. Here's one of 2 bedrooms on the lower level. Passing back through the kitchen area. So obviously we have additional washer dryer hookups here, as well as the entrance to the backyard. Just off of the kitchen area, we can enter the second full bathroom on the lower level here. So nice and bright, large space here. Again, 2 full bathrooms downstairs, 1 full bathroom on the upper level. Additional entrance to the home. And this is the second of the bedrooms on the lower level here at 544 Allentown Road. From the kitchen area, we can enter the upper level of the home. And upstairs at 544 Allentown Road, we find 2 very spacious bedrooms. Conveniently located between the 2 upper level bedrooms, we have the 3rd full bath of the home. I'll give you a quick look at the baseboards running here throughout the home at 544 Allentown Road. The home is fueled by natural gas, so you have great conveniences here, as well as city sewer and city water. So now we're entering the 2nd larger bedroom upstairs. Very spacious in here, a lot of room for furnishings. And just above the staircase, we've also got a sizable pull-down attic. In addition to having a large side yard, we also have a very nicely maintained backyard at 544 Allentown Road. There's plenty of room for entertaining as well as gardening. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to tune in today. We hope you can make the open house this Sunday from noon until 3 p.m. If you have any questions on the home or want to schedule a private tour, you can let Carolina or I know. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.